The next generation of Pit Boss Pro Series grills is here. The Pit Boss Pro Series 850 and the 1150 get grilling done right. Featuring a digital PID control board and advanced technology, the new Pro Series wood pellet grills deliver even temperatures and more all-natural hardwood smoke than ever before. Plus, use the Pit Boss Smoke IT app combined with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility to maximize your grilling experience. Both units feature a temperature range of 82 to 260 degrees Celsius. In the Pit Boss proprietary simple slide plate flame broiler, push the lever to use indirect heat or pull a lever allowing direct flame searing at a 538 degrees Celsius. Additional features of the Pit Boss Pro Series wood pellet grills include a redesigned burn system with removable ash management capabilities, 9 kilogram and 14 kilogram hoppers with an easy pellet cleanout door, cross-hatch porcelain coated cast iron cooking grates for perfect sear marks, a folding front shelf and solid side shelf with built-in tool hooks, 2 meat probes and a programmable control board, and the Pit Boss best-in-class 5-year warranty. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals and unbeatable flavor. The Pit Boss Pro Series,